going to go into town to just sit in a cafe and edit some videos, write some blogs, and hang out. And it's going to be a really nice, relaxing afternoon. These are little guava-filled pastries. They're so good.
So I got an empanada, and she got pastelillos. So it's good to have some home cooking.
This is my way of heating up the wraps.
Even though we're in Florida, it appears we have brought the cold with us. So we have the heater cranked. That way it'll keep us nice and warm and heat up the cabin, because this morning was like 50-some degrees inside here. So Maddie's making breakfast, and then we're going to get the boat all cleaned up because it's really rough outside. So we're going to take the day and take care of the boat today.
Oh crap. That's never happened.
Our stove runs on denatured alcohol, which is easy to find in the US at least. We'll find out how that works once we go overseas. And we keep them in little cans because it's easier to pour the little cans into the wick inside the stove. The problem is it's really expensive to buy in the little cans, so it's much cheaper to buy in the gallon cans and then put them in the little cans. That way you can easily dispense them into the stove. Now the only issue is there's this tiny little hole up here, and I don't have a small enough funnel for it. So with the funnel, it made it easy to get the gallon jug into this little quart jug, and then we can easily just put it into the stove and everything's easy. So we're baking bread, and the carbon monoxide sensor went off because, you know, the stove works with an open flame inside a closed boat. Whoops.
It smells so good in here. I think that he's done it.
So I've taken your all's advice, and we did a whole bunch of things differently this time, and I'm hoping that it came out well. It definitely rose a bit more. I need to get the right kind of flour and some new yeast, but it looks so much better than the other times. So we're going to cut it open and break some bread.
Oh! Smells amazing. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. That is bread. We're each having a half, aren't we?
Yeah. It's time to have some delicious bread. And it is good. So, thank you very much for the comments and the suggestions, because it went from a nasty, nasty thing to actual bread.
Epic sandwiches? Yes. Yes, epic sandwiches. In order to get to the dinghy dock in this marina, we had to row all the way around a fuel dock, which was super long and very difficult to do when the tide and the current was so much against us. So we decided to push our luck. Herbie dropped me off, and I went to inquire as to whether or not we could, just for that day, leave our dinghy on the other side of the marina. We were not so lucky, and the dockmaster understandably asked us to somehow get around. Now, it's a mile around the fuel dock and just 0.3 miles under the pier. So Herbie decided to do this. Just chill there. Like a million here.
Yeah, when they cut for bait.
This is awesome. Oh, this is so cool. So we decided to treat ourselves, and we are going to this bed and breakfast mansion kind of thing. It's called the Fairbanks Bed and Breakfast, and it's gonna be really good. I'm excited. Warm in the sun. One long one. Oh yeah. No fighting over the bed tonight. The tide is up. We've never seen this before.
So we're getting ready to leave Fernandina now. The tide is about to change and start flowing us out the inlet. So, am I not supposed to talk? Oh. Why is it looking all the way over there?
B?
Yes. Yes.
Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to become a sailing buddy, you can click the link down below to our Patreon account.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And when you click subscribe, make sure you click on the little bell in the annotation. That way you get notifications as soon as our next video is uploaded.
Thanks so much!